I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins at the closing market minute for Wednesday, August 27th. Soybeans and corn both ended a narrowly traded session modestly lower, continuing to keep an eye on finishing weather around the Midwest and Plains. Now, things do look non-threatening in much of the region, especially in central parts of the Corn Belt, but some areas could use some rainfall, and there is a chance for that starting early next week. Most of the recent rainfall has been concentrated in southern areas of the Corn Belt. That's disrupting early harvest activity at least a little bit, but that is starting to move north. Wheat closed lower. Chicago and Kansas City saw another round of pressure from lower global prices due to rising world supplies. Meanwhile, Minneapolis was down sharply watching the spring wheat harvest in the United States and Canada, with Statistics Canada's updated production numbers out on Thursday, along with the USDA's weekly U.S. export sales numbers. Live and feeder cattle did make an attempt at mixed trade during the session, but ended up closing solidly higher, albeit below the session highs. At least somewhat optimistic about this week's direct cash cattle business. Most of the major feeding areas remain very quiet during the session, with no bids being reported as of yet, except outside of a regional in Nebraska. Box beef was lower at midday on Wednesday. And hogs closed higher with contracts at a discount to the cash index. Pork was down at midday and cash business was nearly unchanged during the session. With the closing market minute for Wednesday, August 27th, I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins.